67 years ago today, the people of Tibet rose courageously to defend their homeland, their culture, and their leader, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, against the China's forceful occupation. Thousands of Tibetans gathered peacefully in Lhasa, but the Chinese troops responded with brutal force, bombing and firing indiscriminately on unarmed protesters. In the milieu, thousands were killed and many more wounded. This tragic event forced His Holiness the Dalai Lama into exile, followed by tens of thousands of Tibetans.
show.